Have you been trying to add your website certificate to your IIS website and it keeps disappearing? Well, you probably did some research and found out that you have to convert it to a PFX for IIS. The problem is not all conversions work, and sometimes you get an error message that the password is incorrect. But you know it is correct. Well, I'm going to show you how to convert it to a PFX file correctly using Open SSL and PowerShell. Follow along and let's begin. So, we have our certificates that was provided by GoDaddy. We have an intermediate certificate and various formats for our main certificate. And the instructions are to go into server certificate section and do a complete server certificate request. So if we launch our IIS and go to server certificates, right click and select complete certificate request. If we do that and browse to our CER certificate, give it a friendly name and hit OK, we see the certificate added. We have the website it's issued for, issued by, and the expiration date. Okay, great. Well, not great, because once we leave the screen and come back, it disappears. And that's because it isn't in the correct format. We have to convert it to a PFX file. The same thing happens with these other file types as well. So, in order to do this conversion, you will need the private key file unencrypted. You should be able to get this from the party that issued you your certificate. Once we have the key file and the main CER file, we are ready to do the conversion. You will also need to install Open SSL. The link to download it will be in the description. I placed both files in a working directory, and the first thing we will want to do is reference those files. cerFilePath variable points to the cert file. And keyFilePath points to the private key file. We will also set the location of where we want our PFX file to be saved and put that in the PFX file path. Next, we set our Open SSL to be the path of our executable, which is in the bin folder. Then we run the command to combine these files. We do need to set a password on it, so let's add a password variable at the top here. And this is the command that we will be running for the conversion. I will also put it in the description, with each variable being referenced. Let's go ahead and run that, and if we check our location, we have our PFX file. So, I just copied our generated PFX file to our IIS server. Now let's go ahead and add it to IIS. So if we go back to our server certificates and this time select import, then browse to the location of the PFX file. Specify the password we set and hit OK. So it's added. Issued to, issued by, and expiration date. If we browse away and we come back, it's still there. Okay, so you can go ahead and bind it to your website and you should be good to go. If we go back to our server certificates, and that, my friends, is it. I hope you found this video useful. Please like and subscribe. Brought to you by AIP Solutions.